What's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Triple C's. Drop them C's in the chat and let me know you're rocking with me. All right, gang. So look, man, sorry I haven't posted in a minute. Your boy came down with a bad tooth infection, kept me out of the game for a week. Face was all swole up and the whole nine, okay? But I'm doing better. So now your boy is back and I'm ready to talk stocks with you guys, man. Let me know, how have you guys been doing in this crazy market, okay? We got so much stuff going on, man. We got a lot of geopolitical tensions and just so much craziness and chaos going on. Okay, so that's having an effect on the market, and I want to know how you guys are doing out there. But look, guys, with that being said, man, these are the stocks that I'm going to be buying non-stop all year. I'm going to be dollar cost averaging in. Also, guys, I want to tell you about some stocks to look out for that can help you if the stock market continues to come down. Okay, so we're going to talk about that as well. All right, but let's get into it. All right, guys, so look, so the first stock that I'm going to be buying all year long, okay, is Alphabet stock. Okay, yeah, I talk about this stock all the time on the channel, so y'all already know how I feel about Alphabet stock. But look, guys, I just feel like Alphabet, when everything is all said and done, at the end of this AI race, when everything starts to even out, okay, and then and you're left with just the players in the game, and everybody else fizzles out. I think as far as AI goes, you're going to see Alphabet's going to be at the top, okay? You're going to see Alphabet up there with Microsoft and a couple of other ones, okay, are going to reign supreme in the AI space, okay? And it's not just the AI. It's the fact that Google is a conglomerate, man. They're dominant in a lot of spaces, okay? They have the YouTube, Google Ads, the Waymo, the autonomous driving vehicles. They're a big player as far as that goes. Okay, I'm sure a few other things I missed. A Gemini AI. Okay, I mean, so this is a stellar company to invest in. Okay, and I see them being around for many years. Okay, and if you look at my personal portfolio, guys, I'm up 70%. Okay, over the past year. Okay. Now, at the time of this recording, guys, we got Google sitting at $333.26 to close the day. Okay. So look, I'm dollar cost averaging every single week, $50 to $100 every single week into Alphabet stock. Okay. And that's part of the reason why I'm up 70%. Okay. So I'm going to continue doing that right now, and all year long, I'm going to be dollar cost averaging. Okay. Which is what you should always be doing in all of your regular stocks, dollar cost averaging, okay? But as far as options contracts goes, guys, I'm going to sit on the sideline for a little bit, okay? Because of the way things are going right now with the geopolitical and all that stuff, it's kind of hard to gauge which way the market is going. But look, I'll tell you this. When we look at the chart, okay, so we saw it came off a previous high of, let's see where we're at, around 336, okay? So I want to see this close the day above 336. Okay, so I want to see it close the day like 337. Okay, once it does that, then I'll consider getting back in on an option play. Okay, and a call option and riding the wave back up. Okay, but be on the lookout in case the market is going to continue to come down. So we could see the market continue to come down. Okay, so I would love to see to get some more Google at around $275 to the $300 range. Okay, so if it comes down in that range, then I'll really start to load up. But like I said, for now, I'm going to continue to dollar cost average, and we're going to sit on the sideline and see where the market is going to take us next on that. Okay. All right. So now the next stock that I'm going to be buying all year long is Walmart. Okay. We love Walmart on this channel. I talk about Walmart all the time, guys. So I really like what they did over the last few years, ramping up their e-commerce side. They started working with the third-party vendors and letting them sell their things through Walmart. And that really helped boost Walmart's e-commerce. Okay, so now they can rival companies like Amazon and things like that. And I like a lot of other things that Walmart has done as well, as far as AI and all that good stuff. Okay, so Walmart is just a really solid company. And I see them continuing to grow. Okay. At the time of this recording, guys, we got Walmart sitting at $117.64, so $117.64. Okay. So we're gonna keep our eyes on Walmart. As far as options go to the upside, so I'm looking for Walmart to break past 121 before I do anything on the options. Okay. I am gonna be dollar cost averaging as normal, But before I take a call option to the upside, I want to see it break past 121. So okay, so if it closes the day at like 122, then I'll take a call option to the upside. Okay, and we got this going to 129 to 130 over the long term. Okay, but like I said, we be on the lookout. We could see economic downturn. We could. I'm not saying that's not guaranteed or anything like that. We could see a pullback period and consolidation period. Okay, but look, if it comes back down, I like Walmart coming down to, let's see, I'd like to scoop some up at the 110 or even around the $100 mark. If we can get it down there, that'll be sweet. Okay, but hopefully it doesn't drop down that far, and it consolidates at a little bit higher, and then we can just continue doing what we're doing. Okay, but keep your eyes on Walmart, guys. Like I said, I really like what they're doing, and we're gonna see where the market is gonna take us next. All right, guys, look, if you liked the video, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to get some free stocks, download the Temu investment app. I have the link down at the top of the description for you guys. If you want to learn how to trade stock options, guys, and how we're getting to this money, then go over to crazycryptocliff.com, sign up to become a member. You have access to the training videos. All right. But look, gang, that is going to be all I have for you guys in this particular video. I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Remember to stay disciplined, and let's get this money.